Hi guys, this is Pete from Dashcam Network, and in this video we're going to look at the Aukey DR01 1080p dashcam. So let's open the box. The camera is nice and small and compact with full HD. On the top it's a mini USB power supply with an SD card holder, and on the back it's a nice screen with 4 buttons to control the settings of the camera. As well as full HD, it has a 170-degree wide-angle lens for a good field of view. In the box you get a variety of mounting accessories to mount your camera, whether it be permanent or temporary. There's a dual USB lighter adapter. Comes in handy if you want to charge your phone while operating your dashcam. It's got some cable clips to keep your cables tidy. It comes with a long 13-foot power supply cable. It comes with 2 mounts. One of them is a suction cup mount, which it's actually got quite a secure suction on it, and the other one is the 3M adhesive mount for a permanent installation. If we power the camera up, you'll see that the menu is actually easy to use. There is an option for a GPS antenna that's sold separately and that can plug into the top. One of the great features of the camera is that it can support a memory card of up to 128 gigabytes on a micro SD. Let's have a look at the menu. That's my wife's thumb. I don't have nails like that. Once you get into the menu, you'll see how easy it is to adjust the settings like the date and the time and the resolution of the camera. It has a maximum resolution setting of 1920 by 1080p for a crisp, sharp image. All dashcams have a loop recording feature, and if there's a clip that you want to save of an incident, you press the yellow triangle and it will save that video file to a different location so it doesn't get recorded over. So let's take a look at the video quality of the camera. It's a nice crisp, sharp image. The picture is rather dull as it's in Manchester and it's a bit dark on the day this video was recorded. Also, it's been put through a video editor, then uploaded to the internet, so it'd lose a little bit of quality there as well. This is driving towards the sun and the camera copes rather well, shining brightly. You can see the 2 cars quite clearly in front. One of them has a bit of lane discipline there. The nighttime video is rather crisp and clear. You can make out the taxi and the car speeding past and quite clearly see Reg's as well. The camera copes rather well in nighttime conditions. The camera also has a built-in microphone that you can turn on and off.
Whoa, she is a bit close, I like it.
The camera fits well in the windscreen because it's such a small, compact camera. It doesn't stand out much either. So overall, it's a very cheap dashcam with very high quality. If you like the look of this camera, I've got a link to Amazon UK in the video description text box, which will take you to the Amazon page to buy it. Overall, I'm very happy with this camera. So thanks for watching this review, and if you haven't seen it already, the latest dashcam compilation is uploaded. Be sure to check that out. Thank you and goodbye.